Hello everyone, I am JH. Well, and the word for today is the verb for today is to fire. One of the meaning of to fire is to shoot a gun onto something.
Fire.
This meaning is similar to a noun fire that we all know. Oh, but which we didn't start. Well, the other meaning of the verb to fire. First, to fire to obviously make somebody leave their job.
You're fired.
And the second, to fire to remove somebody from their job or position. So, if the boss fires a person, the person stops working in the company.
Are you firing me?
So, if the person is fired, they are not working here anymore.
Stanley Hudson, you are fired.
So guys, work well, don't get fired. Bye.